Hello, today is Wednesday, September 9th, and this is the Sphinx Forex review. And we'll actually do 2 days since I wasn't able to get it yesterday. So we'll do September 8 and 9 today. You can follow us on Twitter, twitter.com, Sphinx Forex, blog.sphinxforex.com, and youtube.com/Sphinx Forex. So that little tidbit out the way, and let's go on down to this. Okay. The euro, we're back yesterday. Things were dead off the holiday. Dollar week on when the market opened yesterday on the new session, and then a nice move to the long side. Took a little bit of breather. You could have went long one pip above this high right here. Stop loss would have been 1 pip below this back. This could have brought you in. Your stop was never compromised from that point. And profit margin, you could have got out here, or you wrote it out and waited for it to continue, or it would continue, and it did. So definitely a nice trade. You made your money off candles here. So that was yesterday for the euro. Let's look at today. Okay, so London is pretty quiet. Back came across the zero line to the long side, so 1 pip above this high. The high of this candle was 45.13, so 14 was your entry. Stop loss was a pip below the low on whatever's the lowest of these three. Let's see, this is 87, 87, 87. So it looks like it had support at 87, break it 3 times. So 85 is going to be our stop loss, our odd number, not the 6. And here we go. So the long bias continued on the euro. Candle brought you in. Now compromise your stop once we got brought into the trade, and then you could tell twice that's easy. Twice your stop loss limit right there, and it went to one nerve. It was a pretty consistent move all the way out. So what was your trade today and today for the euro USD? So you had longs, confirmed long trades. Let's look at the pound. You should have had pretty much the same the trades. So same thing. This candle would have brought you in. This is just a huge move here. This 150 pips minimum. So definitely would have made your money off this long. And another thing is, you can always look, if you're looking at these trades, you can always go look at the euro and see in the same direction. So trading the same direction might be a confirmed trade. So this was a nice trade right here once you got brought into it. But yeah, that was a big move, so I would have been a little nervous probably. Actually, we don't have a confirmed long. When this new high made, the money was still the short side. So this was a no trade day on the pound. Let's look at the euro again real quick at that for. Let's see, market open yesterday. It's a little very tight range, staying in between the EMAs. You never really had a breakout move. The MACD was just finding, so no, this you actually would have had a trade here. Let's see, yeah, you'd have had a trade up in here. Depending on how you manage it, it could have been a break-even worst scenario. You know, depending on how you manage. Typically, if I'm up 20 pips, I'm not gonna, on a 15-minute chart, I'm not gonna take a loss. So I guess measuring this trade depending on how the up was, and you can just this tight range can much continue today. Let's look at the dollar Swiss. That should have been a short based off of the euro trades. And here we go. No trade, didn't come upside the EMA. Yes, he did not have a trade because the candle did not penetrate upper EMA. So you know, short bias, you did not have a confirmed trade there today. Today should have had another short. Still no confirmed trade. So you can see that none of these candles penetrated this up EMA, the blue one going short. So yeah, we did not have a confirmed trade today. Gold we took today. Then to 92 an ounce, I think, so that should have been a short for the euro. I mean, for the Australian, sorry, not the euro. And see, pretty much it's a short bias for those. So yesterday was a bull day. Come to market, you can see now the price of gold, it started kind of bringing its way back down. So anyway, I trade that. Just look at I do watch the price of gold. So anyhow, that's what we had for the past 2 days. Nice trade long on the euro and on the pound. So we'll see you tomorrow.